Recently, police officials of Mawkyrwat police station had arrested 2 youth for their involvement in injuring and robbing of one RANGKUPAR SNAITANG of MAWSAIN village in southwest KHASI hills. Sources informed that the incident had taken place at Mawkyrwat Bazaar at around 7 p.m, where the victim was beaten up and a cash amount of Rs 8,000 was looted from him. Due to head injury, SNAITANG had to be rushed to the Mawkyrwat CHC for emergency treatment. The Seng Samla Shillong and the KHASI Students' Union Mawkyrwat Circle had condemned the incident, especially when the culprits were known to be substance abusers. Meanwhile, family members of RANGKUPAR SNAITANG had lodged an FIR against the 2 youth, and the incident is under investigation.
Indap nak kejing sokya kini kejing jia, makin kejing jam tak segiru kerja po Shillong jungi, nanti hajan yo Mawkyrwat, te ka long ka ikai ka ba ngilak sengutat sengap mon marman kapor kijia kini kejing jia, ba syak luti, but bun kini kejing jia bangilak ban ong, kimi namar balak jelai plat kini kikam, di drugs kan tam po Shillong jungi. Na ngilak ban ong bang ngilak ban kena mo ya kibor jong ka police department ba kin ba sim khatan ho kena kam ban de se ban ngat patrolling ban ai kita kajing sengan ya ki masuk Shillong ikpiri ba wan han nak takadaw kini ki nong di drugs kilak lalong kena tu mo tambah utir ni drugs tak bagat kibre ba kham I ono kham telot ba kham itu ba kini ki we ki Shillong ki tan ki lute ki bat sajak di zaman kapur kembang laong
kumakalong nilatip sai ba ya ka anti narcotic task force la pentrekam kenika Southwest Hills district kawai naduk kesenam arjar kat kendai ndrai haduk menta iklan podi bakanika department joka police kala kakam nani kapun stom yakum kita kiri runa kumta sen kaseng penremjor